Have you ever wondered how far drone technology can go in such a compact form? Imagine standing at the edge of a breathtaking canyon, the sun setting behind you, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. You pull out a drone from your backpack, no bigger than your hand, unfold it, and within seconds, it soars into the sky. The footage? Crisp, cinematic, and stable as if shot by a professional studio rig. This isn't just a dream. It's the reality that the DJI Mini 5 is bringing to drone enthusiasts everywhere. DJI has consistently pushed the boundaries of what compact drones can achieve, and the Mini 5 is set to redefine the game yet again. With its powerful upgrades, it's not just another small drone. It's a feature-packed powerhouse that caters to both hobbyists and professionals. But what exactly makes it stand out? Let's dive into the design, camera capabilities, flight performance, and all the exciting features that make the Mini 5 the drone to watch in 2025. At first glance, the DJI Mini may 5th not look drastically different from its predecessor, but don't let its familiar design fool you. Weighing under 249 grams, it remains exempt from many drone regulations, making it accessible to more users without the hassle of complex licensing. But DJI has refined the aerodynamics, making it more stable in strong winds and increasing flight efficiency. The foldable, ultra-lightweight design makes it the perfect companion for travelers, creators, and adventure seekers alike. Toss it in your backpack, and you've got a flying camera ready to capture stunning shots anywhere. Of course, a drone is only as good as its camera, and the Mini 5 is nothing short of impressive. Featuring a 1-inch sensor, it captures 4K video at 60 frames per second and stunning 20MP stills. The improved HDR system ensures vibrant, natural colors, making landscapes pop with detail and dynamic range. Whether you're filming fast-moving action or slow cinematic scenes, the Mini 5 delivers footage that feels like it was shot on a high-end professional camera. And with its advanced 3-axis gimbal, every shot is rock steady, even in challenging conditions. But DJI didn't stop at just upgrading the camera. They packed in creative tools that make professional-style filming easier than ever. The Mini 5 offers features like hyperlapse for mesmerizing time-lapse footage, panorama mode for breathtaking wide shots, and automated QuickShots to capture cinematic movements with a single tap. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or a casual creator, these features ensure your content looks polished with minimal effort. Now, let's talk flight performance. Despite its small size, the Mini 5 is incredibly powerful. With a standard battery, it boasts an impressive 37-minute flight time, which extends to a whopping 47 minutes with the upgraded battery. That's nearly an hour of continuous flight, unheard of in the compact drone market. And if speed is what you're after, the Mini 5 can reach up to 36 miles per hour in sport mode, making it perfect for tracking fast-moving subjects or dynamic aerial shots. With improved GPS and stability, even beginners can fly with confidence, knowing the drone will stay precisely where they need it. One of the biggest concerns for drone pilots is safety, and DJI has made massive improvements in this department. For the first time in the Mini series, the Mini 5 includes front, rear, and downward obstacle sensors. This means it can detect and avoid objects automatically, greatly reducing the risk of crashes. Additionally, the return-to-home function ensures that if the battery runs low or connection is lost, the drone will safely navigate back to its takeoff point. DJI has also integrated geofencing features, preventing flights in restricted airspace, giving pilots peace of mind when exploring new locations. Intelligent flight modes take the experience to another level. Features like FocusTrack allow the drone to lock onto a subject and follow it smoothly, making tracking shots effortless. Waypoint Flight enables pre-planned routes for consistent, repeatable shots, great for professionals capturing the same scene multiple times. And for those looking for quick, cinematic sequences without manual piloting, MasterShots automatically adjusts angles and movements to create professional-grade clips. With these tools, the Mini 5 isn't just a drone. It's a creative powerhouse in the sky. Battery life is another major improvement. The extended battery option allows nearly 50 minutes of flight time, meaning fewer interruptions and more time capturing stunning footage. DJI has also introduced fast charging capabilities, so you can get back in the air quicker than ever. If you're a content creator, surveyor, or drone enthusiast, this upgrade means longer shooting sessions without the constant need to land and swap batteries. Autofocus has also been upgraded with dual pixel technology, ensuring sharp focus on fast-moving subjects. Whether you're tracking wildlife, sports, or fast-paced cityscapes, this feature guarantees clear and precise footage every time. No more losing focus mid-shot, just clean, professional-looking visuals that capture every detail. And of course, let's talk about the controller. The Mini 5 is compatible with DJI's advanced controllers, including the RC, RC2, and RC Pro. With OcuSync 4.0 technology, the drone maintains a strong, stable connection up to 12 kilometers away, delivering a low-latency live feed for an immersive flying experience. Customizable controls allow pilots to tailor their setup to their needs, making flying smoother and more intuitive than ever before. So, is the DJI Mini 5 worth it? Considering its premium features at a competitive price, the answer is a resounding yes. Whether you're a travel vlogger, filmmaker, aerial photographer, or just someone who loves capturing the world from above, this drone offers unmatched value. With professional-grade imaging, extended flight time, obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes, it's one of the most capable mini drones on the market. The DJI Mini 5 isn't just another step forward. It's a giant leap in compact drone technology. Would you add this powerhouse to your gear? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.